If you like oatmeal, you're gonna love this recipe. If you like carrot cake and oatmeal all together, boom. Hi, my name is Laura. Welcome to Spicy Latina Mom. Every week I have a new recipe for you, and Sundays I have a special of healthy Mexican breakfast. So subscribe to my channel so you can get to know when I'm uploading new videos. So let's begin with this recipe. I love oatmeal because it can stay in the fridge for about 4 days and you can freeze it. You can freeze it and have it whenever you want. And remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So let's begin. This is pretty simple. I'm just gonna add my milk. I'm using almond milk, but you can use whatever milk you prefer. I'm also adding some water, the oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. I love it. Don't use the grounded cinnamon, use the stick one. The flavor is totally different. Okay, we're gonna stir and we're gonna let it boil for about 10 minutes. I left my oatmeal boiling for about 10 to 15 minutes. I usually leave it about 15 minutes because I like it very thick. So I'm just gonna put it in my plate and I'm gonna add some raisins. The raisins are gonna help you to make it a little more sweet. If you want it sweeter, just put the raisins to boil when you put everything else. I'm also gonna put over here some pecans because they are a kind of healthy fat. The portion for the pecans is 3/2 of pecans. So this is the recipe for an amazing oatmeal. I hope you enjoy it and wait for the next recipe la semana que viene, next week here at the breakfast series at Spicy Latina Mom. See you soon.